Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, June 28th. What do we have on the docket today? You can see at 8:30 this morning, we had goods trade balance, which was better than expected. But you can see it's a yellow item and nobody really cares. Preliminary wholesale inventories month over month were exactly as expected. Again, a number nobody cares about. Jumping up to 9:30, we have a red item, which means everybody cares about it, and that is Fed Chair Powell is speaking. That's at 9:30. You want to write that down. It's a red item. Red item means high impact expected. 10:30, we have crude oil inventories, and then at 4:30, after the market closes, we have bank stress test results. Now that actually could have some impact, but it certainly won't impact anything until late afternoon in the morning. We may see some follow through from the bank stress test if that's really bad. Otherwise, it's sort of a normal type of thing, and it's considered a low impact item. Looking at charts, we got the daily chart here. You can see I've done a bunch of drawings on it because I love playing what pattern is it? What pattern could it be? And so you can see that we may have a potential M pattern developing. And this is way in advance, but if you can sort of guesstimate what the pattern is, it can certainly help you with your trading. Also, I've drawn a Fibonacci line from this low here to the most recent swing low, or swing high. And you can see that we actually did not touch the 38.2. Now, why is this important? Well, a normal retracement goes at least to the 38.2, and a lack of or not able to even get to the 38.2 is very bullish. So that's just sort of a thing you pay attention to and go, it couldn't even get down to the 38.2, which is what it should have gone, or deeper of a retracement. It couldn't do that, so that's very bullish. So we certainly could be on the move to a new leg to the upside. That being said, of course, let's go and look at inventory. So inventory yesterday was positive by 2,800 contracts. So even though these are correlated, which means the price action is up, the inventory's up. It's supposed to be correlated like that, and it is. What I see here is a huge move that's not shown with additional buyers, additional bullish action. Only 2,800 contracts were added to inventory. That to me is saying, maybe this is a little bit got ahead of itself. Have to wait and see, but that's at least what this chart is saying. Taking a look at the intraday. So interesting, we talked about this a little bit yesterday, is that the range, overnight range, 44.17 to 44.06, that's 11 points. That's a really, volatility is shrinking overnight. And that's a fairly small overnight range from what we have been used to. That being said, where do we have any kind of confluence in resistance? We have some resistance up in the 44.25 range, a little bit here at 44.31, and I'm going to say 44.50 on the downside. Support, got lots of support, a little bit of area right under 4,400. We'll say 4,400 to maybe 43.98. Got a little band here around 40, so we go right in the middle, 43.74, and some areas around 43.61, and there's even more, 43.41. So there's lots of support underneath, and that also kind of tells you where we're at, where we are on the chart. All right, that's your support resistance levels. Your Stock Trader's Almanac is 47.6, 47.6. So what is it? Stock Trader's Almanac. It's a history book of stock market action, all history, all statistics, all legitimate statistics. This is just saying that the odds of today being an up day are 47.6, which is a negative expectancy because 50-50 would be obviously where we want to be, plus or minus. But 47.6 6 means that there is actually a 53% approximately 53% chance the market will go down. Okay, so that's the historical bias. I use it as a historical bias to what the outlook would be on a historical basis on this day over the last 200 years. So that's the story there. And you can always purchase your own copy of the Stock Traders Almanac on Amazon. That being said, I hope you guys have a great day. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a good day. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.